Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Got a good one today because I've got a shed for my bike, my motorbike, which is over there, and you can see I've partly built it already. So I thought I'd vlog it and carry on how I've done it. So I start off from the beginning. I started off with the base, laid it out, leveled it, so I was all make sure it was level. Not so bothered about it that way because it's for the doors, basically, to make sure the doors shut properly, because this runs down there a little bit anyway. So we started off with this one, got this level, got it in the right place, put these two panels on. Oh, couldn't tell you how many screws, but probably 7 or 8 in the bottom, that many up the side, quite a few. Then we put this panel on, bolted it to this, that panel, bolted it to that panel, bolted it to that. So we got this absolute edge. I had to get my brother-in-law, my son-in-law, to come and help me with this because he's 6 foot tall, strong as an ox. So he come and help me with this. Just need to show you which way. So you go around. It's just got holes in it this way, and the other side has got like a lip this side. This is an Asgard, so all approved when you're for your bike insurance and all that. So I've got all these other panels to put on, these panels, these edgings, all that. So we'll let you see us doing it. I might speed it up a bit when we're doing it because it takes a while. So I've got a silicone, all this stuff came with it. The guy who delivered it, absolute gem. So well done, Asgard, good delivery driver. Proper northerner, lovely bloke. Yeah, top guy. So now we're at this stage where we're going to start putting these ones on this side. So I'll let you watch and crack on. So that's it, all complete, level. Hardest bit I'd say was leveling it. The rest is pretty easy. You can see it in here. So I've got 2 shelves up, some hangers for my crash helmets and stuff, jackets maybe. It's all complete. It took me, I started it yesterday afternoon when it turned up, so it's taken me about a day on my own. I had a bit of help with my wife yesterday, so in total about a day to do the whole lot though. So yeah, hardest bit is because you need 2 people to do the top, get the roof on. But yeah, it's all in there, ramps in, doors are all level. Now I'm going to put my bike away. Ready out of that just before it starts raining. That'd be great. So she's got a new home, the old bike. Anyway, like and subscribe, and find other stuff on my channel. Yeah, just check it out. Catch you later.